Hello, I'm Michael at One Pixel World, here to help you protect yourself from phishing attacks and email scams. One of the most common email scams involve phishing. Small business owners are often the target of domain name renewal scams. You receive an email saying there is something wrong with your domain name that needs your attention. You click a link and visit a fake site where you attempt to log in so they can steal your username and password for the actual site. Be aware the domain name scams, in addition to email, can come in the US postal mail. They will send you a bill and tell you that you are in danger of losing your domain name along with your website. When you see something fishy, never hesitate to contact your webmaster, web hosting company, or professional. Email account lock scam. You receive an email saying there is something wrong with your email account that needs your attention. You click a link and visit a fake site where you attempt to log in so the scammers can steal your username and password for your real email account. When you see something fishy, never hesitate to contact your webmaster, web hosting company, or professional. In addition to small business owners, phishing scams can target anyone, not just business owners. Phishing schemes take on the appearance of a legitimate email and may even appear to be from a familiar company. These efforts are to exploit your trust and gain personal or financial information. Types of email scams you may see are the following. Foreign lottery scam. You just won a huge, big prize, often in a foreign country, but you must pay a small amount upfront to gain the larger reward. Survey scam. You get a request to take a survey for a social issue that may concern you. When you click the link, you get infected with malware. Banking scam. You receive an email saying there is something wrong with your bank or PayPal account that needs your attention. You click a link and visit a fake site where you attempt to log in so they can steal your username and password for the actual site. These are some tips for avoiding email scams. If you don't do business or haven't requested information from a particular company, don't click on the links or take any surveys. Look at the sender's email address. Does it match the content of the email? If not, stay away. Avoid communications without personalization, such as "Dear valued customer," is a good tip to stay away. Does the link in the email look odd? Most of the time, you can move your mouse over the link to see the link address. If it looks wrong or if it looks fishy, stay away. These are some tips that will help you keep your personal information and your business information safe. Thank you for watching the video. One Pixel World provides web hosting, email, domain name registration services. We would be happy to help you.